beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. Are you really looking for that ways to style up your short hairstyles? I just want to let you guys to know that you don't need to look any more further because here in Wendy Styles we are here to bring this chic grateful look that is easy to achieve and it requires no hot tools. So today's hairstyle are that kind of beautiful styles that will always add texture and volume to your short hair. And you know, with the right care, with the right barber and the right place here in Wendy Styles, it can even stay in place for up to a week. So it's easiest like to achieve this beautiful style in just less than 3 inches of your hair. You can just create that side part and apply gel to your wet hair. Like you can see this beautiful bar. I just love the platinum and I just love the side part. This is so gorgeous for beautiful women that want to have that chic style, that want to look hot, that want to look sexy. You just have to go for that beautiful haircut. It's just so beautiful. Nearly every black woman who really has done the big chop have had this kind of course. This is what I would call the Pixie, because sometimes just allow it to be shorter by the sides and leaving some hair on top, because it's that kind of hair that is a great option for when you really want less length but still want to show off your gorgeous natural texture. I love this haircut. I just love the way it frames the face, and it's that kind of style that is perfect look for every woman who really want to opt out of heat styling tools. Like in general, they just want to look sexy. See this beautiful lady trying to do it herself at home. I really envy this lady. Like when I saw her in the first place, I was like, wow, I wish I can just do this on my own, to just barb my hair by myself using a clipper. It's every woman's dream, but if you know you can't, you can also visit your barber for them to give you the kind of sleek cut you also want. And this beautiful cut on the screen too, I just love the color. This pink color is beautiful, and you can see how it also make it easier, like for that kind of maintenance. This hairstyle is also cute, having a touch of let's say pink. This pink hair, having a touch of pink, on the top. It's beautiful, it's lovely, and one time with this style, it provides that kind of strong foundation of clean and hydrated hair. So in terms of styling, all you are to do is using your hands and a few nourishing products. So this is also makeup transformation. You can see how she was before and see the review. Isn't she looking also beautiful? This is also a flawless kind of way to really look gorgeous even with a short hair. I just love the style, I just love the makeup, I just love the review. It's just so good that you also can try at home. This is also an ideal kind of haircut, for the nonsense women who really want to keep every single hair in place. You can see that the hair really makes a strong statement. And one thing about those hair, like those finger waves, I just love those zigzag by the sides. It's giving it a different touch of finger waves, like from the normal finger waves we all know. One thing with the style is that even this particular one, this is lovely. One thing with the style is that it makes that kind of strong statement, and it's a low maintenance haircut, and it's easy to style. You can see how it looks so fabulous, and this kind of style will be so fabulous on women of all ages, and it can be worn like in a varieties of ways. I just want you to also see this beautiful hairstyle from Step the Barber. This slick cut looks so beautiful, looks so polished, and it's that hairstyle that is also low maintenance and using the right product like the Kinsey coil, because Step the Barber, this is the CEO of Kinsey Coils. He really knows what he's doing, and he's one of the best barber too based in Atlanta. So he will also give you that kind of best hairstyle check in my description box if you really want to get some of their details on how you can get to them to give you this kind of code on the screen. So with this in mind, let me just allow you guys to please support the rest of the styles. I appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.
Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots, by the arm of flesh no man can prevail. No man, no man, no man, no man. My confidence is you. What is hard? What is hard for you? We can never resist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. Amen. God is so beautiful. So yeah, just for you guys. Thank you so much. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. Because you are not a man that changes your mind, oh. Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots. By the arm of flesh, no man can prevail. No man, no man, no man, no man. My confidence is you. What is hard? What is hard for you? We can never resist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though.